Hello everyone, my name is John. Today, I will tell you how to set up uploading new contacts from the HubSpot CRM system to the Gmail email service. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new contacts from HubSpot to other systems. For example, through the Gmail service, you can send emails or set up notifications to yourself about the appearance of new contacts in HubSpot. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the HubSpot data source system. Next, you need to choose an action. Get contacts, new. Next, you need to connect your HubSpot account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, we need to specify the API key. In order to get it, go to the HubSpot personal account. Then go to Settings. Now go to the Integrations section API key. Click Show to see the API key. Copy the API key and paste it into the corresponding field in the ApiX-Drive system. When the required field is filled, click Save. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. There are no additional settings for the HubSpot system, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. At this stage, you see data for one of your contacts. If everything suits you, click Next. This completes the HubSpot data source setup. Now you need to go to the data reception settings. Select Gmail as the receiving system. Next, you need to select an action. Send email. At this stage, you need to connect your Gmail account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, you need to specify the username and password of your personal Google account. Be sure to check all the checkboxes. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. At this point, you see the Gmail fields for sending email. The connected Gmail account will be used as the sender. In the To Email field, you need to assign a variable from HubSpot that contains the customer's email if you want to send emails to HubSpot contacts. If you want to receive a notification to your mail when a new HubSpot contact appears, then in this case you compose the subject and body in such a way that users will receive a corresponding letter with each new contact from HubSpot. If you want to receive notifications to your mail, then in the To Email field you need to register this mail manually. To go to the next line, use Enter. When all the required fields are filled, click Continue. At this stage, you see an example of the data that will be sent through the Gmail service to the specified email for each new contact from HubSpot. If something does not suit you, click Edit and go back a step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Gmail. After successful sending, go to Gmail and check the result. If everything suits you, return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue setting up. This completes the setup for receiving Gmail data successfully. Now you need to enable auto-update and select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.